Alright, I'm giving another update. I have now started cleaning. So you can see it looks a lot better. But we had quite a mess. So it's going to take a while to clean up the pool. And I just raked and picked up some of the sticks. And I see our big alligator is pretty close now. And you can see where my dock is. So on the neighbor's mark, it pretty much is still at the white. So it hasn't really gone up too much. High tide is coming. So we'll see what happens then. But I think the worst of it is over. Now you can see it's almost back to normal. Hope you guys are staying safe and having a great day. Take care.